find the domain of g of t is equal to 6t minus t cubed over 7 minus t minus 4t squared. So the first thing we're going to do is confirm situations where we are going to be forced to divide by 0 so that we are able to avoid those situations. So for us to do that, we are going to solve an equation where we have 7 minus t minus 4t squared is equal to 0. So after this, we're going to identify t. So if you get t, those t's will force us to divide by 0. So they are the t's that they're going to avoid. So this is a quadratic equation. We can rewrite it as 4t squared plus t minus 7 is equal to 0. So we can use any method to solve this quadratic equation. Let us use the quadratic formula so that t is equal to b is 1 plus minus in bracket b squared is 1 minus 4 into 4 times negative 7 divided by 2a, and 2a is just a times 2, which is 8. Okay, so we can simplify this to be minus 1 plus minus, under the root we have 113 all over 8. So we have that t can be minus 1 minus root 113 over 8, or t could be minus 1 plus root of 113 all over 8. So these are the values of t that will force us to divide this expression by 0. So we avoid this one. So it means that the domain of this particular function is all real numbers except these two, except t is equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 113 over 8. So it means if we plug in any value of t into this expression, we are going to get real values. But if we plug in these situations, these two values, we are going to get a situation where we have to divide by 0. So we're not going to get real numbers in such a situation. So the domain is just all real numbers except these two. When t is equal to negative 1 minus root of 113 over 8, or when t is equal to minus 1 plus the root of 113 over 8.